Lads, we just got going for Safety Week this week. Just to make everyone aware, lads, there's a video link on a daily basis, and the video link shared out by Jacobs, and there'll be a different topic on every single day as we go through Safety Week.
All our team are in line of fire, so we have to have the right safety procedures in place before you start any task.
There's a hazard there of being able to cut your hands with that blade, okay?
This can actually collapse, causing injury to ourselves, mainly to our hands.
Choose to work safely at all times because we want to leave here every day with no injuries, go home to my family, so that's the biggest reason for working safely.
To be able to go home safe to your family and your kids or your partner or whatever, it's very important that you listen and learn from everything you've been taught here every day.
Safety comes first.
There's probably about 2 years of planning that's gone into this, and the development of electrical safety plans and the safe systems of work to manage their safety now through the next phase as power has been distributed down through the building.
We need to deliver to a very high quality, right first time, with 0 accidents and 0 incidents.
This is a 6-metre length unistrut. The weight is approximately about 15 kg. It's one of the main piece of equipment that we actually use on site regarding material. The hazards that we have on this, guys, is actually separating it. We have a habit of putting your hands in here to lift it, and on that hazard, guys, this can actually collapse, causing injury to ourselves, mainly to our hands. So we do not lift from the ground, guys. For that purpose, guys, we invented this frame over here.
So lads, because we're so used to lifting stuff from the ground, we've come up with a safety procedure behind us of storing and handling materials off the ground. To keep you safe, this is what we do. We use our teleporter and our banksman to bring the materials off the ground over behind me onto these stackers, so it's easy for us to slide it in for cutting.
Today we are going to show you how to do the safe use of a bandsaw on site. So before you go to do anything with the bandsaw, always make sure the battery is out. Once you put the battery in, you can check to see that it's working. Now, and one of the questions I'm going to ask you is, boys, what part of the bandsaw should you use when you're carrying out the cut? Where should we cut from?
The edge towards the battery.
Right, towards the battery. As you can see there, boys, the gate's not down. So if I want to put that gate down, I have to take the battery out, pull the gate down, put the battery back in, boys, before you use it. You don't do anything without taking the battery out. The battery always has to be out. It's a dangerous tool and it has to be held by 2 hands. So what is one of the hazards of using a bandsaw, boys? Anybody can tell me?
Keeping your hands out of the line of fire, 2 hands on the bandsaw at all times, dust inhalation and lacerations to your hands.
The most challenging part of the installation of this job is the safety aspect. Just the right procedures for the right tasks at the right time,
So this is a safe plan of action. It's a tool the lads use for planning the works, make sure they pick up any hazards, anything that could hurt them on the jobs. This job we're looking at now is a 5-minute task, so statistically they're the ones where people get hurt. Just looking through here, what steps have you to control tools or equipment falling on the batteries?
We'll add in the tool tether so that nothing drops into the UPS. So safe.
Yeah, do a step back and make sure and use your tool tether. Stop anything falling on top of the batteries. Because the batteries are all live, we're working right beside them.
The reason why it's important to work safely is to get home to see my family and look after myself and my hands so I can make it into work the next day and provide.
These procedures are put in place to keep you safe every day at work. Whether you're an apprentice or a senior electrician, we want you to come into work, be able to do everything you have to do safely, and we want you to be able to go home safe to your family or friends or whatever. And don't be afraid to ask any questions, no matter how silly you think it is, always ask the question.
Our role is just to ensure our guys are kept safe.
The important ones is the quality of the work and the safety of the people, and safety is number 1.